So today we're going to be weaving a simple heart-shaped wreath. So start by soaking your straws in a shallow dish of water. You might need to put something on top of them to weight them down. And then take 3 straws and tie them off right below the heads with a little bit of white thread. Cut off the excess thread, and then spread out the straws so that you have 1 on the left hand side and 2 on the right hand side. And then you're going to take another straw and you're going to slide it under the outside straw and over the inside straw on the right hand side, and the bottom of it will lay on the inside of the left hand side of the left hand straw. So then take another straw and going from the left hand side, and you'll slide under the outside straw and over the inside straw, which is of course the new one you just put on, and that'll lay on the inside of the right hand straws. So then just slide them up so they're all nice and tight, and then you lift up the second straw on the right hand side, fold the outside one under the raised one and over the inside one, and then fold the raised one back down. So then over on the left hand side do the same thing, lift up the second straw, fold the outside one over the inside straw and lay it on the inside of the right hand straws. And then you'll take another straw, add it to the right side, sliding under the outside straw and over the 2 inside straws. Lift up the second straw, push the outside one over the other one to lay over on the left hand side. And then you're not going to add a straw to the left on this side, you're just going to lift the straw, fold the outside one over and lay it down. And then you're going to do that again on both sides to lock that straw in place. And you're only going to be adding the straws to the right hand side from now on, but you'll do the locking on both sides to make sure the straws stay in place. Then just take another one, under the outside straw, over the 2 inside straws, lift up the center one on the right hand side, fold the outside straw over and lay on the left hand side, on the inside of the left hand set of straws, lift up the second one on the left hand side, fold the outside straw over to lay on the right hand side, and then fold that straw back down. And then again, do that locking process again to make sure that it's all locked in place. And once again, you're only adding new straws to the right hand side now, but you do the locking on both sides. And so then you just keep going, adding straws on the right hand side and locking them in place twice till you end up with a piece about 10 inches long. Then you just flip it over, take those 3 straws and fold them down to meet the rest of the pile. Then you're just going to divide it into 3 little piles of straws. You're going to basically do a hair braid. So fold the one under the middle set, and the right hand side under the middle set, and then the left hand side under the middle set. It's usually not real neat, but you're just kind of braiding it in place to hold off the ends. And when you got a couple of inches braided, just take a piece of thread and tie those ends off. And cut off the excess thread and the excess straws. You'll end up weaving 2 of those. And just take one and lay it on top of the other at the very ends. Just take a thread and tie those ends together right below the heads. And then bend the tops down, form a little bit of a heart shape, and tie some white thread where the ends meet. So you got a heart shape now, and then you can finish it off by just tying a little bit of ribbon into a simple shoelace bow right where the ends meet, and that covers up the white thread too. And then you have your nice little heart-shaped wreath with the ribbon.